Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the Tuya app to control the Kingornan Smart Zigbee lighting system. Let's start with what we've prepared for today. We have two things here, a smart Zigbee module downlight compatible with magnetic track lighting systems, and a smart Zigbee linear grille light. Of course, don't forget the most crucial part, a gateway. First, we need to connect to the gateway. Make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi as the gateway. If you can't find the gateway, try switching to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, as 5 GHz might not be compatible. Now, let's add two different smart lights. Remember, when connecting them, the lights need to flash. Like this, connect the first light, then turn it off. Do the same for the second light. If the lights don't flash, go through an on-off sequence up to 5 times or 9 times for some lights until they start flashing regularly. Once the devices are added, you can change their color temperature and brightness to your liking. You can also group the lights. For example, set both lights as one group so you can control them together. Adjust the brightness of the whole group or control each light individually. Lastly, we can set up different lighting scenes. Turn on or off lights in the group as needed, or adjust the brightness and color temperature of individual lights. For instance, the first light can be adjusted from warm white to cool white, and the brightness level can range from 1 to 100. And that's how you control the Kingornan lighting system with the Tuya app. Smart magnetic track lighting system Zigbee setup method is the same. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. See you next time.